With Unreal Studio are included 100 substances that are conveniently located inside this substance source browser here inside of Unreal Engine. So I'm going to show you how you can install and then use the substance source to download the substances and play with them inside of your project. So if you haven't got the substance source button already enabled in your interface, you're probably going to have to download the plugin. So here from the Epic browser, we are going to go to the marketplace and search for the substance plugin here. Click on it and install to engine. Once the plugin is installed, we have to go into the interface inside of Unreal Engine and open the Edit Plugins window. And in here we'll have the Substance plugin, which is going to be installed, but we still have to enable it. So let's enable it now, and then the restart will be prompted. So we'll restart now. And here we are. Now the source button is showing. If I click on it, I will be taken to the substance source window, in which I will need to log in with my credentials. Once I'm logged in, I have access to my 110 free substances that are very high quality that I can download straight away, as well as my other available downloads from my account at Substance Source if I have one. So now I'm going to open a project and we're going to have a little look at the substances themselves. So here I am with my project here with a blank wall that I would like to put a texture on. So I'm going to go into my substance source. I'm already logged in and I'm going to search for a texture called Granite Wall Tile. Here we are. So it's got a beautiful preview and I can check that is going to tile perfectly well here. So I will download that. And that texture will immediately appear right here in my content browser already. So you can see that the material is properly set up already. Everything is ready to go, and I can just very simply drag and drop that onto my model. The beauty of substances is that once we've got the plugin enabled, we can also go into the interface by double-clicking on this instance of the substance here, and we have plenty of parameters that have been exposed from Substance Designer that we can play with inside here, inside of Unreal. So let's just make a little bit more room on my window so that we can see what's going on. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the output size to 512, which is going to enable me to tweak the parameters and have much faster refresh rate on my display. So with this project, what's very important is to be able to have enough flexibility to be able to tweak the number of stones here to enable to, in order for us to be able to match the request of the design. So here, for example, I've made the number of tiles in the Y direction increased, but I want to have much less of this marble texture, so I'm going to change the value on this marble mask and then increase that up slightly to reduce the number of marble tiles. So you can see that Substance allows you a great amount of flexibility in the designs, and now that I'm happier with my texture here, I can go back to 4K or even 8K texture size and move on to another texture.